It begins with nature's own wax, harvested at dawn, pure and ready for transformation.
Plant-based oils provide the slip, the silent glide that defines every stroke of luxury. Color starts as powder, engineered for intensity, safety, and batch-to-batch consistency. The hardest natural wax, flaked, measured, and bound for precision blending in controlled conditions. Every ingredient tracked and protected en route to become something iconic. Miles traveled under strict conditions because purity can't wait.
Access granted. Only verified materials enter this ecosystem.
From transport to intake, zero exposure, zero compromise. Every batch passes the gate, science before art. Inside the heart of creation, where raw becomes refined. A facility built for precision, where every square foot serves the formula. Entry protocols protect purity because contamination has no place here. Scale meets precision, every machine, every motion, calibrated. Digital precision initiates the alchemy, every gram, every degree accounted for. Heat transforms structure without compromising integrity. Oils merge seamlessly, creating the foundation of glide and wear. Color disperses at the molecular level, intensity without compromise. Shear force refines texture until only silk remains. Vacuum removes imperfection. Density defines luxury. Molds a weight, engineered to capture form with micron-level accuracy. Precision filling, every milligram placed with intention. Controlled crystallization, structure set without stress. Release without touch, preserving perfection. A whisper of flame, final polish without contact. Union of form and function, secured with calibrated force. Eyes that never blink, guarding every detail. The iconic form takes shape, function meaning ritual. Identity etched in light, traceability from factory to hand. Protection layered with purpose, every fold intentional. Order emerges from motion, ready for the next journey. Precision stacking, stability engineered for transit. Secured for scrutiny, every layer protected. Science validates art, every batch, every claim. Heat tested, performance guaranteed. Color matched to the molecule, consistency you can trust. Safety screened, purity beyond compliance. Performance proven. Wear that lasts, transfer that minimizes. Time compressed, confidence expanded, ready for the world. Stored with intelligence, retrieval, optimized for speed.
Pick item from aisle 5, bay 12.
Add dunnage. Apply wrap.
Order complete. Move to dock.
Orders assembled with care, every destination considered.
Final verification before the journey begins anew.
Loaded with precision, stability engineered for the road. Sealed and signed, trust travels with the product. From our hands to yours, journey begun. A global journey, locally crafted, consistency across continents.
From factory to fixture, ready for the moment of choice. The final test. Worn, felt, trusted.
Responsibility embedded. Every end. A new beginning.
The new formula has excellent initial stability.
Good. Let's check the spreadability metrics. Consumer panels show high satisfaction, crafted today, evolution without compromise. And this is how modern factories produce lipstick from start to finish.